Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get AI on your WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get AI on your WhatsApp, you can go to Microsoft Copilot website. You can go to your browser first and then you can search for Microsoft Copilot. Just type in Microsoft Copilot for WhatsApp, and it will bring you to the Microsoft support website, and we can open up this website. And after we have opened this website, we can scroll down until we find the short link. We can use the short link to start chatting with Copilot instantly on WhatsApp. Tap on the short link. Okay, and as you can see guys, that the Microsoft Copilot has been added to my WhatsApp, and I have added the Microsoft Copilot before. So here I'm just going to click on send, and as you can see right here, I have used this Microsoft Copilot to create an essay and also generate image for me. And you can basically ask anything to the AI to create you something. Let's say I'm going to create article with this Microsoft Copilot. I'm just going to write the prompt. Create an article for me with climate change topic. Just like this, and I'm going to click on send, and we just need to wait for a moment until the AI generate what we asked. Just hold on guys. All right, and then the article has been created. You can also ask the AI to generate an image for you. Just describe the image you want to generate. For instance, I'm going to generate image about magical garden. Just like this, and you're going to click on send and wait for a moment. The AI will generate an image for you, but it will take time, so you need to be patient. Okay, now it's done, and this is the image that the AI has generated for me. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get AI on WhatsApp. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.